Using single-pair Ethernet, or SPE, to connect from the sensors to the cloud in factory, process, and building automation applications requires robust and protected connectors and cables. Phoenix Contact ONEPAIR SPE M12 Connectors and Cables, available from Mouser Electronics, feature an SPE interface in a standard M12 connector, providing a compact and future-proof solution rated for up to 1,000 meters and data rates up to 1 gigabit per second. They can also use Power over Data Line technology, or PoDL, to transmit up to 50 watts over the same pair of wires. Cables are available in various standard and customizable lengths with combinations of male or female connectors or flying leads. Advanced shielding technology provides a reliable shield connection for cables, even under extreme conditions. Device connectors are offered with through-hole or SMD terminations, and in 90 or 180 degree configurations for application flexibility.